Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna make dish called Sharmoula, made from feta cheese or double cream cheese. Both work. By the way, this 250 gram. We will need some of sun-dried tomato and some olives, no seed for sure. 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and 1 teaspoon of harissa spice. 2 big spoons of olive oil and 2 big spoons of tahini. And the spice is gonna be here. The vegetable we need: half cucumber, half onion, 1 tomato, half lemon, some fresh dill, some parsley, some fresh mint leaf choice. That's it. Let's start with the cucumber. We'll shred it. And the onion too. We will remove those. And we will cut the tomato small pieces. And the lemon juice. All those. All together. And we'll cut the olive and the sun-dried tomato. And we add all this together, except the tahini in the oil, in the end. And we smashed it. The vegetable and yogurt will make it like a little soft. You're gonna feel it going more liquidy because also all the vegetables will have like water. That's good enough. By adding the tahini, so any liquid will come out of the vegetable, even if you keep it for a long time in the fridge. The tahini will suck this liquid, so keep it the same texture always. Here, look, not much liquid anymore. make like this much, I'm gonna keep it in the fridge. No problem, at least for a week. At the same time, I like to eat it with pita chips. I will make 2 pita bread in the oven. Healthier than you fry them. Fry them faster, but it's healthier. So let's see how. So we're gonna cut the bread. We'll add them to the baking pan. And check the spice here. Some olive oil. And we'll make the oil go everywhere. Touch all the bread. So when we add the spice, we're trying to make them separate as much as we can. And last one. The oven preheat 200. Have fun. It's a little salty dish, even if we add some more vegetable to cut this salt, but we're still gonna drink a lot of water, so we need some juice. So the juice for today, it's 2 pomegranate and some grape. I froze them, so we will add just water. It's gonna be cold right away. We will not use any sugar in this juice because the pomegranate is a little sour and this grape is very sweet. So the mix would be nice. One cup of cold water. Here it is. Look at the ice still. So we'll add some rose water. And we'll strain them here to take the seed out. We'll add a little bit of water. Done. So it's healthy and full of antioxidants. Let's try this. Look good. The benefits of juicing this way versus with other juicer, that you keep more fiber in the juice. It tastes beautiful, guys. Fresh, healthy, need to try it. Here, guys, after 15 minutes, we will flip it out. We will flip it. We will put it back in the oven in the same temperature for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will turn it off and we keep it there to dry them out even a little bit more. If you're missing part, if two stuck together, that will fix it. So after 5 minutes, done. That's hot. The spice is still stuck on it. I do fry some pita too. I wait for them just to dry more, and I will add the same spice to it. But I would like to try with this. Let's have a bite, guys, with this whippet. It's amazing. C'est magnifique. This is my Sharmoula. Guys, I don't eat today, so I will attack this. See you next video.